So the main business benefits of using ITIL, there's a number of them. They are primarily around about consistency, accountability, control, governance. That's the traditional view. Nowadays as well with ITIL 4, we have much more about how organizations can innovate, how they can be digitally transformed, how they can follow agile and DevOps ways of working. So we're lean, we're efficient, we're effective. But ITIL primarily is about getting everybody on the same page, using the same language, so that it means that we are much more efficient, we're much more quality driven and accountable. We can look at what we're doing, continually improving, understand the performance that we're delivering and actually do something about it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you're interested in free ITIL resources, click the link below in the description.